Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. My dear students, today another most important math is Modina Company manufactures and sells varieties products. The company's sales and expenses are given below. Total variable cost 4,20,000 টাকা. Total fixed cost 1,50,000 টাকা. Total sales revenue টাকা 6 lakh and selling price per unit টাকা 40. Now requirements. Requirement A. Determine variable cost per unit. Requirement B. Determine contribution margin and profit per unit. And requirement C. Determine break-even point in units and in taka. Okay, dear students. Now let's go to solve the math. At first, requirement A. Variable cost per unit. Formula is total variable cost divided total sales units. Total variable cost amount is 4,20,000 টাকা and total sales units 15,000 units, but 15,000 units was not available in the question, so just follow here. Total sales units formula is total sales divided selling price per unit. So total sales amount 6 lakh টাকা divided per unit selling price 40 টাকা. So total 15,000 units. Okay, dear students. Now 4,20,000 টাকা divided 15,000 units is equal to টাকা 28. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement A. Dear students, now requirement B1. Contribution margin per unit. Formula is sales per unit minus variable cost per unit. So sales per unit টাকা 40 minus variable cost per unit টাকা 28. So contribution margin per unit টাকা 12. Now requirement B2. Profit. Formula is sales minus variable cost minus fixed cost. So sales টাকা 6 lakh minus variable cost 4,20,000 টাকা minus fixed cost 1,50,000 টাকা. So total profit amount টাকা 30,000. Okay, dear students. So profit per unit formula is total profit divided total sales units. So total profit টাকা 30,000 divided total sales units 15,000. That is profit per unit amount is টাকা 2. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement B. Now requirement C1. Break even point in units. Formula is total fixed cost divided contribution margin per unit. So 1,50,000 divided 12, that is 12,500 units. Okay, dear student. Now requirement C2, break even point in taka. Formula is selling price per unit into break even point units. So selling price per unit taka 40 into break even units 12,500 units, that is break even point in taka 5 lakh taka. Okay, dear student, this is the solution of requirement C. My dear student, if you want to solve this math easily, you should practice all formulas again and again. Thank you so much. Next, see you.